like, what, 48 degrees,
48.
but the wind feels like it's 2. Ay, 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 ay. Where are you? There you are. All right, so we're in Jacksonville, so we're on a little bit of a road trip, about 3 hours from home, and we are on the Mayport Ferry. So this is A1A, the famous road that runs up and down the east coast of Florida. And if you want to continue across the St. Johns River, which flows north, one of the few rivers that flows north up through central Florida and eventually out into the ocean here in Jacksonville, if you're wanting to travel that A1A and continue north, which is what we're doing today, you got to go on this ferry. Now, of course, you can get over and take 95 and other routes and just go over a bridge, but we thought this would be fun. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
You ready, Mommy?
I'm ready.
All right. Peanut?
Yes, sir.
Or Ricky? All right. The ferry ride cost $8, and it was about a 3 to 5 minute ride across the St. Johns River.
The cars are going the same speed.
Yeah. It's not, it takes a second to mentally adjust to what's going on here. Off for the truck to go. Do you know that? From here, we're making our way to Little Talbot Island State Park, where we'll have a brief visit. Then we'll spend a little bit more time at Boneyard Beach on Big Talbot Island State Park.
Hey, what's going on?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
What do you got?
4? What time you guys turning on the warmer weather?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. Free beer tomorrow too, right?
Absolutely.
All right. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you. You been here before?
We haven't. We're actually heading up to check out Boneyard here in a minute, so we're just driving through and won't be here too long. But
You should have told me that up front.
oh,
Wouldn't have charged you.
oh, that's all right. It goes to a good cause, right?
Absolutely. But when you go around the curve here, there's a big parking lot there on the left. And there's a boardwalk to the left. You go out there, there's restrooms and changing rooms
Okay.
and stuff, but that boardwalk will take you out to the beach.
Okay. Hey, when we were coming across the bridge, we noticed some cars driving on the beach on the other side.
That's Huguenot Park. That's the city park.
And is that something if we drove back to, or is there anywhere else between here and Georgia that we can drive on the beach?
At Amelia Island you can.
Okay.
Like when you're going north, probably 4 or 5 miles north of here, you'll go across a fairly large bridge.
Okay.
And right after the end of that bridge, you'll see a turn in there, and you can drive out. And it goes along the river for a ways, and then it curves around and goes out onto the ocean side.
Okay. And then when we leave here, we can go. Am I saying is Talbot? Is that how you say it?
Yep.
Big Talbot. We can park and walk out and see the Boneyard area.
Yeah, it's about a half-mile walk through the woods, and then it takes you out under the water.
Oh, it is that far. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Beautiful day for a stroll.
Cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate
All right,
you.
y'all have a great day.
All right, you too. This is the end of that, I guess. Everyone's so excited.
Yes, sir.
Hi, little friend. Are you the king of the mountain?
Not anymore. King of the dunes.
Oh. You'd think we're up in like Nantucket or Maine or somewhere, huh?
I was going to say Canada.
It's like, what, 48 degrees, but the
48.
wind feels like it's 2. Ay, 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 ay.
And then it comes this way, so you're
And now, after freezing our butts off there, we're headed to Big Talbot Island State Park. Gotta go pay my money. So, looks like you put your, tear this off, put your money in here. Gotta put a little saliva on it. It says, it doesn't say, but I think this is good. It probably was just glue or something anyway.
Daddy, you want to see a picture I took? Let my hiking shoes.
This is a well-maintained half-mile walking trail that takes you from the parking lot down to Boneyard Beach. We're not there quite yet. This is an observation deck about halfway down the trail. So welcome guys to Boneyard Beach here on North Talbot Island, or Big Talbot Island. So why all the trees on the beach? Well, Big Talbot Island has eroded over time, creating 30-foot bluffs and toppling trees onto the beach. After years of being washed away by salt water and bleached by the sun, these trees become white and bone-like, leading to the name Boneyard Beach. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this episode with the Outdoors with Rich. Thank you for watching. We spent some time today at Boneyard Beach, which is here in Florida on Big Talbot Island. T-A-L-B-O-T. There's a little Talbot and a Big Talbot, but the Boneyard Beach with all the driftwood is where we are today. So we had a good time. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. You guys have a good time?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Awesome. We're staying in Jacksonville for the night. We're from Tampa. We're staying in Jacksonville. But now, we're not going to do a video, unfortunately, but we're going to head up to, where do we say we're going?
Jekyll Island.
Jekyll Island, Georgia. So no video for that, but thank you for watching on this one. We hope you enjoyed it. If you would be so kind, you know how the channel's got to grow on YouTube. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, comment if you've been here before, if you want to know anything about it. But we sure appreciate you guys. So talk to you soon.